Yo guys, it's Ricky and today I'm teaching you 5 house dance moves every beginner needs to learn. Now the moves we're covering today are an up jack, heels, pas de bourrée, stomp and a shuffle. But don't worry if you already know them moves, it's always good to drill them basics. You might pick up a few more little tips for your technique, and when we drill them at the end with music, when we go fast you can always hit some variations, yeah? So it's all good practice. So jump yourself up, make sure you got space and let's do it. So from this point here, the video is mirrored, so if I say right, it's your right, if I say left, it's your left. I have to remind every video just so it's easier for everybody, yeah? So, first move we're going to do is your up jack. So, your up jack, if you haven't seen, is this one. This is my style of up jack, yeah? So, what you're going to do is you're going to bend your knees first. 1, throw your shoulders back. 2, throw your shoulders forward and straighten up your legs a little. 3. So, if I go to the side, that's bend, throw your shoulders back, and then throw them forward, yeah? So, it's 1, 2, 3. Now, be careful not to body roll this. We ain't doing that type of dance. Keep that upper body not stiff, but you're bouncing, you're jacking, yeah? We ain't body rolling. So you're down, back, up, down, back, up, down, back, up, down, back, up. A lot of people ask what to do with your arms in house dance. Do anything you like, just be natural. When I'm jacking, sometimes I'll switch here, sometimes I'll out here, sometimes I'll cross, just do anything, yeah? Feel the music, let the music move you. So you're just down, back, up, down, back, up. Yeah, nice. There's your up jacks done. First move done. Second move is your heels. So, heels we're doing is just your basic heel taps. So, with this one and every house dance move you do, you are using that up jack. So, when we heel, we're throwing our chest forwards. We're doing that up jack, yeah? So, for your heels, you're just tapping heel in front, step it in, heel in front, step it in. That easy. Now, add the jack in. So, when you heel, you want your chest to come forwards. You step that foot in, chest to go back, heel, chest forward, step it in, chest back. So if I go to the side, it's heel, chest forwards, in, chest back, heel, chest forwards, in, chest back. And then just keep that bounce. Always keep your knees bent and relaxed in house so you can bounce naturally, yeah? So you're just going right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. And then just loosen up with that move, yeah? Okay, so there's move number 2 done. Next we're to move number 3, which is your pas de bourrée, yeah? So pas de bourrée is this one, lots of bounce in this pas de bourrée step, yeah? So what you're doing with this step, starting with right foot steps behind, left foot steps out to the side, right foot steps in front. And then the other side, left foot steps behind, right foot steps out to the side, left foot steps in front. Your timing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And add your jack on that third step is how I do mine. So I'm going to lean back a little, 1, 2, throw it forwards on the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then pick your feet up, nice clean steps in your pas de bourrée. Yeah, so again, we go behind, side, front, behind, side, front, and add that jack. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice, there's third move done. Next one to your fourth move, which is the stomp. So this is your stomp. Yeah, now what you're doing with your stomp, you're going to hop on left foot, right knee's coming up on the 1, nice and high with the knee. And you're going to tap your foot down, do not stomp it, you want to be nice and light and floating in house. Tap the foot out, then you're going to hop your feet out, bend your knees and bounce into that, drop down into that. You can jack into that, anything at all, yeah? And you hop on right foot, left knee comes up, nice and high, tap it down 2, jump out 3 and bounce. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and you want to jack, 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 jack. So always be hitting that bounce in your house dance. Yeah, so that's your stomp. So again, you're just hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out. Yeah, nice. There's move number 4. Your last move, your 5th move is a shuffle. But no, it's not this whole thing that people do. House dance shuffle. This is the one that we're hitting. Yeah, not knocking shufflers. It's a cool little style, but we're on house dance right now. So, shuffle, you're going to kick right foot to the side. You're going to hop on right foot, kick left foot to the other side. You're going to hop on that right foot again. Left foot is going to kick behind. Make sure it comes right behind. Make sure you kick it behind so you can see that foot. On the other side, that left foot is going to kick out to the side as you hop on right. You're going to hop on left foot as right kicks out to the side. You're going to hop on left as right kicks behind. Yeah? So it's kick, kick, behind, kick, kick, behind. And you guessed it again, the timing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So kick, kick, behind, kick, kick, behind. Yeah, nice. Okay, quick recap over them. So we got your up jack, which is just down, back, up, down, back, up. We got your heels, which is heel, 2, 3, 4. We got your pas de bourrée, which is behind, side, front, behind, side, front. We got your stomp, which is hop, tap, out, hop, tap, out. We got your shuffle, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Nice. If you are struggling with any of them, rewind it back, get them clean. We're going to go all of them with the music, so we'll go slow each move, fast each move with the music, and then as always at the end, we'll go hard with the music and just follow along as much as you can, yeah? So let's go, all with the music. Okay, so we're going to go all of the moves slow with the music, then fast with the music. I'll break them all up, then at the end, we'll do a full, quick follow along, all of the moves, yeah? So starting it out with the up jack, nice and slow first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, let's go. Nice, okay, now onto your heels, yeah? So nice and slow, 4 slow, 8 fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fast, let's go. Nice, okay, next we're onto your pas de bourrée, yeah? So go 2 slow, 4 fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fast, let's go. Nice, good. Okay, next we're onto your stop, yeah? So we'll go 2 slow, 4 fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. And fast, let's go. Boom, one more move left. Next one's your shuffle. 2 slow, 4 fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. And fast. Nice, okay, what we're going to do now is a quick follow along. So do all of them moves, quick, with the music, see if you can follow along. We'll have move names up here so you can keep track. But it'll be all of them moves, yeah? Let's go. Lots of energy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Click here to jump on the channel, here to jump straight into your next lesson. Appreciate you all. See you in the next one.